your channel.
Wait,
Okay.
wait. 1 second. 1 second.
1, go.
User left
Go,
your
go, go.
Wow, I got trapped immediately.
Damn it!
Oh, I like the logo. Oh, no.
Who did that?
Holy crap!
The map you're playing on.
That's like
Dude, it's gonna. Shit, I had it too wrong.
This is not
2, 1, go. Go, 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 go. Get him. Oh, no.
No, I ran out of repair tool.
I feel like this is a
my tool's overheated.
My thing
Oh, it
overheated.
might be Russian, actually.
Holy crap!
Can't move. I'm literally stuck.
Are you telling me we're gonna sit in the shack this big?
Go, 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 go. Okay, hold on.
Repair
Go,
tool.
go,
Somebody's
go.
laying mines on the ground. Oh my god.
2,
How are you gonna do
1.
that?
Go, 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 go. What is going on?
Holy crap!
What's going on?
I overheated.
Throw grenades. 2, 1. Go, 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 go.
Oh crap! The water's too deep.
Yeah, tag team! Oh no, I got taken out.
I'm gonna roll, baby.
I can see how this is going.
Everybody in the dumpster. Oh no!
Holy crap!
Very mature.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Everyone get in. Everyone get in.
Everybody,
No.
no, I'm not getting in that.
Dude,
God,
get
no.
in!
I know what you're
Get in
playing.
here! Get in here! You're a pussy if you don't get in here. Get in!
user joined
Holy
your
crap.
channel.
Lag.
No, lag. This is
Oh,
crazy.
the tank.
No, the tank's gonna blow up. The tank's gonna blow up, I guarantee it. Because we have a mixture of our own mines in there.
Yeah, that target's been lit up. Transponder has...
Yo, we're making a line on the
Those
left here.
videos
Come on, there's a line on the left.
This is really trippy. I can see people like sinking through the ground.
Oh my god, people are sinking into the ground.
Dude, there's so many craters the map don't know what to do.
The textures are broken. Whoa, I'm sinking into the ground, guys, look.
Make a stack of where the tank is then.
The tank's right behind
We
us.
got a
there.
line going.
Wait, tell the tank to back up a little because that's a big pile right there.
Okay, the target...
Do we all...
Throw a grenade towards the end.
1.
Here it goes, guys.
Go.
Holy crap!
No.
Oh,
So much lag.
that was lag. Holy crap.
It's like everything.
The floor looks like
We need
it's
to
like
form
a
a line. No, dude, we need a line. Okay, so let's go in the water again. Go in the water, go in the water.
It's like
Stop
water.
reviving me.
Whoa.
This is weird. This is very weird.
Yes, stand where I am and look. Under
You can
the-
see inside the...
2,
What are we doing? What are we doing?
1. Fire, 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 fire. Oh no.
Aww.